Wireless fire alarm and firefighting system. This is a point-type smoke detector that can detect visible or invisible smoke particles. It converts changes in smoke concentration into electrical signals. Use professional tools to test the smoke detector. Wireless fire alarm controller. It's the hub of the system. After receiving the wireless alarm signal from the detector, it starts alarm linkage immediately. Various equipment act according to a preset linkage program. After the wireless fire sound and light alarm receives the host signal, it makes alarm. Normally open fire door. Fire shutter doors are closed simultaneously. Fire smoke exhaust system, fire air supply system. In water systems such as spray pumps and main pumps. Synchronized start. After the scene alarm, Tianqing Smart Fire Collaboration Integration Platform will receive fire alarm information synchronously. Alarm location can be viewed on the platform, and it can be controlled remotely. Perform operations such as reset and noise reduction on the device.